Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to avoid password lockout in Salesforce. Whenever an user tries to log in into Salesforce with invalid username and password, especially the integration users, um, it will check how many times they can attempt the invalid username and password. After the specified limit, the account will be locked, and there is a field called lockout effective period. So once that particular period value is met, it will unlock the record so that the user can log in, or they can again try to um, log in with the username and password. So let's see how to avoid the password lockout. There may be some scenario where we want to avoid this, maybe during a weekend where the operations team is not available, and you don't want to break other integration, and then if you have any other use cases, you can try this. So I'm going to my system. I'm going to select my system administrator profile. So go to password policies. Click edit, and here we have maximum invalid login attempts. So here by default it has been selected as 10, so I can try 10 times invalid username and password. So on the 11th time it won't allow me to log in, or it won't show me invalid username and password. It will show account is logged. So the account will be logged for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes the account will be unlocked, so the integration or the user can try to log in with the username and password. So if there are any scenarios where you don't want to have this, it's a very risky thing to do it. So please work with some system admin or some Salesforce expertise people before trying this option. It is very, you should be very cautious about this option. So I'm going to select no limit. So if I select no limit and then if I click save, if any users who belong to this profile, system admin, tries to log in with username and password, they with incorrect username and password, it will allow them to try logging in with the invalid username and password infinite time. It won't log the record at all. So if there is an integration which is trying to use wrong username and password, it will fail, but the other integrations won't be affected, because if the integration with wrong username and password is locking the record, the other integrations will also be affected because of this account lock. So sometimes if you want to bypass that, you can set the maximum invalid login attempts to no limit, and then you can save it, so that just one integration with the invalid username and password will be affected. Rest other integrations will fail, and there won't be any account lockout issue. Please be cautious before enabling this feature. Please check with an Salesforce expert before trying this in your org. Thank you for watching.